We are going to look at how to log into PowerSchools, also known as PowerTeacher and Home Base. First thing you notice is you have a new icon on your desktop if you've logged in at school already, Firefox, a new browser. That browser was pushed out to us for use with this new program. So please use that instead of Internet Explorer. You can still access it through Internet Explorer, you just might experience some bugs. So if you go ahead and open up Firefox, and be patient with me as we'll wait to see how quick my computer responds, but open up Firefox and then type into the browser ps.wcpss.net. Oops, part of it's getting typed down here now. Ignore that. But you can see up in my browser I'm pointing to powerschools.wakecountypublicschools.net, and that is going to take me to my login page. And then when I get to the login page, I have a choice to make. I can either log into Home-Based Power Schools or Home-Based Power Teacher. We want to log into Power Teacher. That's the one we will be using. Power Schools is the one that our families will be using. So when you click on this button, you get to the main login page. I would encourage you to go ahead and set a favorite, however you do that, whether you set favorites to your desktop or to your browser. You could even set this as your home page for Firefox. That would be something else I would encourage you to do. That way every time you open Firefox, this page comes up. And to set it as your home page right now, I'd encourage you to go to Tools up here and Options. We go down to Tools and Options. And this again is a one-time thing. You would not have to do this every time. It's just going to allow you to always be able to click on that Firefox and come right up to this page. And when it says home page, I'm going to click on use current page, and it puts that address in there. So now when I say OK, now next time I go to Firefox and double click on it to open it up, instead of having to go through all that trouble, that's my new home page. It takes me straight to it. Then you can continue to use your other browser for your other things and only use this Firefox for PowerSchools. Again, that's a personal preference. You don't need to do it. Once you are here, your login information is pretty easy to remember. Everybody starts with WCPSS, and then it is your unique employee ID. I'm going to just pick a random employee ID, 758245. I don't know whose employee ID that is or if it even exists. Then your password. Once you've put your unique employee ID in, your password is the exact same as your webmail password. You actually can't change your password to home base. You can only change your password to webmail, which then automatically changes it here to get into PowerSchools and Power Teachers. So then you would type in your password and go ahead and click sign in. Now I've already signed into my account down here, and we're going to take a look at that. And once you're signed in, you hit that sign in button. It's going to pop up with a screen that looks very similar to this. Of course, it's going to have your classes that you're teaching. This is where we'll do our attendance, and we'll go over that later. Right now we're just looking at logging in. So you have actually gone ahead and logged into home base. I would say the best analogy is to say what we're looking at right now is very similar to what we had in SAM. You can play around with a lot of it. You can't really mess too much up at this point. But anyways, so you've logged in. Here you are. You're looking at your class.